Let's talk specs. Frequency response. The excellent frequency response curve enables Kato to have a rare ability to highly restore the sound heard by the master when making recordings. Kato is able to more truly show the original timbre and position of musical instruments and vocals compared with ordinary hi-fi earphones, and bring you a more open and natural listening experience. Aesthetic design. Kato adopts modernist aesthetic design combining light and shadow, and continues this design elements from Canis to KXXS, thanks to the brand new MIM technology. The almost all surfaces of Kato has been able to inject light and shadow design, showing a three-dimensional and rich layering. Ultralinear technology. Kato is adopted with a new independently developed 10mm ULT ultralinear technology superlinear dynamic driver, which has been developed for 2 years. It includes a more efficient composite magnetic circuit with internal and external magnets and a more linear air circulation structure, as well as a larger brass internal acoustic cavity, a lighter extra-fine imported CCAW sound coil, and a high-frequency phase waveguide. Replaceable sound. Kato adopts a replaceable sound nozzle design, which can be easily replaced by a quick-release structure with screw thread, and comes with sound nozzles made of 2 different materials, steel and brass. Users can not only experience the sound changes for different materials by replacing the nozzle, but also replace the block sound nozzle more conveniently. Self-designed and developed spring. Kato is equipped with the newly self-designed and developed spring tips, which suppress weak resonance through special diffusion structure, and significantly lower the high-frequency linear distortion caused by nozzle resonance, thus making high-frequency timbre more natural. At the same time, the special material of earplug tips cap can better fit the ear canal without being sticky, and featured with the special reinforcing rib support design to prevent the bass loss caused by sound leakage. FEA finite element. Optimize the structure and volume of dynamic driver and acoustic cavity through FEA finite element simulation combined with repeated experimental verification so as to achieve unparalleledly inner distortion performance. The 3rd generation DLC. Composite T diaphragm is designed based on the demonstration and combination of acoustic characteristics. After repeated experiments by FEA finite element method, then in linear distortion of the 1st generation DLC diaphragm can be reduced by at least 80% compared with the actual measurement. Cavity of Kato. The acoustic front cavity of Kato is demonstrated and calculated based on the characteristics of the driver, with help of the volume and structure simulated by FEA finite element simulation, and the verification and improvement by repeated experimental, presenting an excellent frequency response and high-frequency phase performance. Specification. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you like this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.